If you can't talk to your teammates in mobile games, don't worry about that. Here's how to fix voice chat not working on your phone step by step. So first check the obvious. If your mic is muted, some wired or Bluetooth headsets might have mute buttons. If you are using one, make sure it's not switched off. If it's still not working, next restart your phone. It sounds basic, but restarting can fix mic glitches that happens when app gets stuck in the background. Then go to your phone settings. For Android, head to settings, look for apps, and then manage apps. Search for the game you are looking for. And then go to app permissions, and then make sure that microphone is allowed. Now open the game and check if the in-game voice chat settings. Make sure voice chat is actually turned on and that the mic is selected if there is an option. If you are using Discord or another voice in the background, try closing it. Sometimes apps compete for mic access and only one can use at a time. If it's still not working, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or any other network. A weak connection can stop voice chat from working even if everything else is fine. And another tip is plug in a different pair of earphones, especially if your current ones have a built-in mic. Sometimes it's just hardware issues, so if none of that works, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Just make sure your account is backed up so you don't lose any progress. And finally, if your mic works in other apps but not in the game, it might be a bug. Check the Play Store or App Store for any available updates. Developers often fix voice chat issues in the new versions, and that's it. There are few. Try these steps and you should be back into chatting in no time. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for getting more tech videos.